Today I want to show you guys this brush. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. This is electric brush for grill. It works really well. You can see it has really cool feature. Once you press this button, you would be able to change the head. So you can use this guard, which will prevent the oil to splash back on your clothes, on your hands. That is really cool, and you can see it is adjustable. You can push up and down depending on the angle you are working on. That is really cool and very easy to operate. You just press this, you will see it will activate, and you have three different speeds, the second one and the third one, and it will just shut off. So really nice. You can see the way it works. A pretty decent unit, and it also comes with the charging cable. Use the type C cable to charge it, and very easy to take this out. You just pull this out just like this from here, and you also have another head which you would be able to use. This is kind of sponge, back of the sponge. This is the rough part that after you use the bristle brush, you can also use this to just take care of everything. You can see it's the same thing. So you just brush and it will just clean nice and easy. Also, this comes off. You can see you would be able to take this out and replace in case you need to replace it. Maybe you can even use sandpaper to just use. I think it can stick on this. It looks like velcro. So overall, looks really nice. I'm so excited to go out and try. I'm gonna show you guys how it works, but this is what you get and how it looks.